Hello and welcome to the Living Goddess Code. I'm Elizabeth Ellames and author of the Living Goddess Code. And, what a feat. Over the past 3-4 years, I've written 3 books. And the last book, The Living Goddess Code, has really shown me, and I'll be very honest here, shown me who I am. So today I thought it best to actually share with you a bit of the introduction of the Living Goddess Code, because I really do reveal what I'm about, what the book's about, and what my message and vision is for our world today. Once you know who you are, simply being you is enough. You never feel superior or inferior to others. Approval or permission becomes obsolete, and you come to recognize that your proof of power reflects the beauty of the living goddess. So I know many of us have talked before about the goddess within and the power of the goddess, and what I've discovered from writing this book is that the living goddess is part of the divine plan, divine design actually, of the universe, and that she is part of us, but she's also we're swimming with the living goddess, as we are with the divine living presence, which a lot of us call the field now, and I have also called it that for many years as well. But writing this book, I really dived deep into the spiritual concepts around that for myself, and discovered that there is this beautiful divine masculine, divine feminine energy, one which is the divine living presence, and one that is the divine living goddess. And as vessels or portals, as women, I wanted to invite other women to open up to that energy. So, next line. Welcome to the world of the Living Goddess Code, an interdimensional collective of divine love and divine light. Here within the sacred web of creativity, I invite you to explore the depths of your being and the boundless wonders of living a cosmic life. Now, what that means is that we get so caught up in our small life, our small world, that sometimes we forget that planet Earth is a community member of the cosmos. And that's what I'm really wanting to bring home to people, is that we have this enormous ocean or universe of energetic resources available to us. And my encounter with the book, since it's been finished, has already started. That already has started within my own social and spiritual development as well. So just moving on again. So this is the essence of the Living Goddess Code, a vibrant kaleidoscope of interconnected energies pulsating with the life force of love. Yeah, that makes me want to take a deep breath. Here, love reigns supreme. For the Living Goddess Code transcends the boundaries of belief systems and cultural differences. It is a universal language that speaks to your spirit, inviting all seekers of truth and love to partake in its wisdom. As you dive deeper into the mysteries, you will find that it is not just a concept. It is a living presence, an embodiment of the creative forces of love and light. Well, that's me for today. But just on closing, I just want to really emphasize that my work is really about flawed character. In this world of personal development, we're so hell-bent on, cleaning up our act and all of this sort of stuff. And I've been around it for a while, so, 30 odd years, my goodness. Anyway, your flawed character and your shadow are actually your gateway. And that's all I'll say right now. But in a couple more of these series, I'll share about that type of information and how to embrace the divine web of archetypal and angelic forces. So, my quest has been to help people shift to the fifth dimension, and of course we are moving beyond that now because we're sort of opening our hearts and understanding that there are other dimensional aspects of who we are. So in leaving today's talk, I just wanted to share that I'm back, so to speak, and I'll be able to get back on my podcast and back into video because I'm in the headspace to be able to do that, whereas before I was way too consumed about where I was at and what I was processing myself, and also what content was going in the book. So thank you for being patient. I felt a little bit embarrassed because I said, wow, I've got this new vlog, I've got this podcast, it's a regular one. And of course what happened was once I really dived in to get the book